Thousands of devotees and monks celebrated the 2568th birth anniversary of Gautam Buddha, the light of Asia, at his birthplace in Nepal's Lumbini. Nearly 100 monks, half of them from the International Buddhist Confederation India, held a special prayer next to the pond in the Maya Devi temple premises for world peace. Joined by hundreds of others, the monks then rallied to the International Buddhist Conference to celebrate the birth anniversary of Gautam Buddha. The event, organized by the International Buddhist Confederation in cooperation with the Lumbini Development Trust, was also attended by Prime Minister Pushpakamal Dahal.
बुद्धको जन्मभूमि लुम्बिनीको भ्रमण गर्न पाउनु विश्वका प्रत्येक नागरिकका लागि गौरवको विषय हुन जान्छ। अझ बौद्ध धर्म मान्ने समुदायका निम्ति त यो विशेष गौरव र आनन्द अनुभूतिको विषय पनि बन्दछ। तसर्थ लुम्बिनीलाई विश्वभरिका बुद्धिस्टहरूको बर्थिङ सेन्टरका रूपमा विकास गर्ने र त्यसमार्फत यस क्षेत्र र सिङ्गो देशको प्रवर्धनमा उच्च सफलता हासिल गर्ने सम्भावना हाम्रो सामु छ।
Buddhist communities around the world, including in Nepal, observe this day with great reverence. The birth anniversary of Buddha, the apostle of non-violence and peace, is observed by conducting special prayer ceremonies by spiritual leaders and gurus at monasteries.
This land is especially blessed as Lord Buddha was born in Lumbini on the day of Vesak Purnima. Nearby, in the town of Bodh Gaya, he attained enlightenment, and he gave his first sermon in Sarnath, again not far from here. Finally, he attained Mahaparinirvan in Kushinagar. Lord Buddha's life journey and the dissemination of his teachings and message, starting from his first sermon in Sarnath, form an enduring and unparalleled bond between India and Nepal that adds to our unique relationship and symbolizes our shared heritage and values. In this context, I would also like to recall the visit of Prime Minister Modi, who had visited Lumbini in 2022 on the occasion of Vesak Purnima. He had then spoken about the importance of developing this shared cultural heritage together and enriching it further. During his visit, Prime Minister Modi and the then Prime Minister of Nepal had laid the foundation of International Center for Buddhist Culture and Heritage, which is progressing well thanks to the support provided by Lumbini Development Trust.
Buddha, considered the 9th incarnation of Lord Vishnu, was born on Shukla Purnima of the Vesak month in the lunar calendar. Born into the royal family of King Sudhodana and Queen Maya Devi, Buddha left his palace at the age of 29 to seek enlightenment through penance. He is also regarded as the light of Asia. Buddhist philosophy is taught at internationally acclaimed universities such as Oxford, Cambridge, and the Harvard.